What up, fam? What up? What up? We at today we at Highland Park. Getting ready to ride my buddy Hoodie. Yeah, shit. It rained like hell yesterday. Rained like hell the day before. So it's gonna be muddy. I'm still not even 100% from that loop out a couple weeks ago. But yeah, we gonna make it do what it do. Yeah, so I'll catch y'all in a minute. I can't believe I struggled on that shit before. This is crazy. This is easy? That's easy. What? Gotta be smooth with that. There you go. Like making light work of these climbs today. Oh fuck, that's pretty hard. You gonna try to squeeze through? I'm gonna take this line. Good thing this shit ain't wet. Said no one ever. Oh shit, these rocks look like they hurt. Oh, I didn't want to go down there. That was 33, maybe 241.
Oh, fuck. Damn root got me. That thing kicked my tire so sideways. I just had to abandon. Damn, I was doing good. Oh my God, these roots are crazy. I ain't been talking, man. I'm so focused. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover or something at the end of this video. I'm tired. Yeah, I took all your momentum. Oh man, that tired me out. Oh, fuck. Damn, that's hot. I'm stuck. Fun. Shit ain't no joke. I was almost up. Oh man, that shit is tough. That big rut is. Ah. This is nasty. Yes, let's go. Oh shit! Damn! You think you're going slow? Think you're good? Oh yeah, I see it got you a little. think that was us?
I thought it was her.
I figured that. I'm like, when you weren't, I saw you weren't letting him pass. I'm like, he must think that's one of us.
That's not good.
She had got stuck on this one part, and I saw her get up, and she started coming. And I was just trying to keep up with you guys. You good?
What happened?
Son of
I dropped it and I picked it back up and walked it up, and then as I was getting back on it, I fell into that crevice and I couldn't pick the bike up.
Oh
I
shit.
was literally not strong enough. I was like,
It was like on a hill kind of. The bike was leaning. Yeah.
There were two guys on a bike that looked just like this, right behind me, and they were like fast. I thought it was Mohammed. He's not fast. I kept going.
I knew I'm like, he's probably gonna think that's one of us behind him.
Well, I'm gonna ride them. Kevin, you ride in the front.
All right.
I'll ride in the back.
Hey. This is where I almost broke my arm off. I recognize that no skateboarding sign. It was right here. Hey, this is right by where you remember this trail? Yeah, it was right around that corner right there. I whiskey throttled hard into the trees going around this corner last time we were here. I saw that skateboard sign, I'm like, I know where we're at now.
Ready?
What, you catch the root or you slid into the rut?
She might have gotten the root.
I think I caught that one, but I hit the tree first.
Oh shit.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, you got it good.
Right? What did I just hear again?
Yeah, you're fit.
No, we're not.
You're definitely
Oh man. Shit. Was that RPMs or heart rate? I said, was that RPMs or heart rate? Helmet break.
It's nothing but cheddar, it's nothing but cake, it's nothing but gas with a foot to break. I can't even count all this money I made. I'm making this guts, can't make a mistake.